My name is Janice-Marie Johnson, and I'm delighted to be with you for just a few moments to share with you my thoughts on covenant. Covenants are intentional, covenants are audacious, and covenants are a promise that can change lives. In those moments when community is broken, when there's been perhaps an infraction, whether major or minor, we can return to the covenant, using it in the spirit of restorative practice to be once again whole. This is invitational, to be accepting, to speak grace filled truth, to forgive each other over and over and over again for the good of, for the love of our community. The covenant for me is the embodiment of our faith, this faith that we hold dear. And there are times we are human when we falter, times when we falter and need to regroup, if you will. In that moment, right relationship, restorative practice brings us back. Any one of us can serve as the keeper of that age-old circle, inviting us back into community. That is the power of covenant for me, and I encourage us to use this gift that has been given to us in all manner of spaces, knowing that it is ours to honor as we honor one another. As far as I'm concerned, we have the choice of going the punitive, hurtful route or the restorative, gentle route, knowing that each of those routes has consequences. We have been steeped in the punitive route. We dishonor one another. We talk about each other behind our backs. We gather in subgroups to discuss the problem without coming to those with whom we're having a problem and inviting dialogue, honest dialogue. This is how I'm feeling. This is what I'm experiencing, what's going on. With the restorative practice, we have the opportunity to, let me say, listen each other into existence, to begin to understand what anyone's position is, what anyone's background is coming to this situation, taking the time for authentic listening so that we may hear each other in new ways and see, now that everyone has spoken, everyone has been heard, where do we want to go with this? We know that each of us has a position, has a need, we want an outcome. Have we thought beyond the obvious? Might we think bigger than our biggest imaginings? To do that, we need a space where we can respectfully listen, be listened to, and share on a very deep level that honors one's humanity, one's dignity, the principles by which we live, and the practices that we espouse.